All right, good afternoon. It's Tuesday, October 25th, out here at the Steadfast for Veterans job site. Come out and give you a little update. Let's see. Here we go. Tony's made a lot of progress over the last couple of days. I was just out here Friday and he only had the west side done. Now the east side's done. All in, putting dirt back in. Won't be long and we'll be punching holes for the foundations. Remember, like, share, and follow Steadfast for Veterans on Facebook. Go over and check out the website at steadfast.org. It's Christmas time. How about thinking about, while you're shopping on Amazon, to donate or add Steadfast Indiana to your Amazon Smile account.